Welcome to our products presentations. Today we're going to introduce you to our new arrival, the Colorado fire pit. This fire pit is manufactured in Italy and it comes in two different finishes, powder coated in black or curtain, which is bare metal, and it will rust, and that's the look of the fire pit after it's weathered. The fire pit comes with a stand, or you can just place on the patio and have chairs around. But this fire pit can also be used as a wood cooking barbecue. So you can it comes with a stand. You can put it on the stand and just cook, and the fire pit will be at the standing height. The barbecue fire pit comes with 4 sear plates placed on the top. This is where you place the wood to burn, and you can sear your food on top of the plates. It also comes with a tray and a grill that you can place on the top, and you can also grill your food on top of the grill. These are our newest edition of a fire pit. It's very, very functional, and it can also mostly used for cooking. The fire pits have a tray below it, and this is where the ash will go. You remove this and you dump the ashes. It also comes in a round shape, but we only stock the rectangular ones, which are the most popular ones. The round ones can be special ordered. If you'd like to learn more about our Colorado fire pits, you may visit our showroom at 1015 West Jericho Turnpike in Smithtown, New York, and we'll be happy to demonstrate the fire pit and educate you on the other features or answer any questions you might have. Thank you for following us.